She had a bit of an issue with the old big end bolts. I didn't get a torque sense, so sorry for the for that. But I will get them by join up tomorrow. For the minute, I'm not too worried about it. See what I'm doing. If you're interested, watch. If you're not, don't bother. Right, my main aim at the moment is to knock this off. So I'll do it with my hand. We got all these like. Right guys, I'm just going to say something to you now. I bought this stupid bloody Hero Pro bloody 90 thing, and it's the biggest load of rubbish I've ever bought. Whether I bought it off a Chinese website, I've no idea, but it's supposedly GoPro. I paid 350 quid for it, and I am sick of it. It doesn't turn on, it doesn't want to record, it doesn't want to come back on. It's a piece of rubbish at the moment, so I don't know whether it's my bomb. So I've been going through my gasket sets, right, and I've been throwing away gaskets. All these metal ones I'm never going to use because they're all crap. I can't find a single overflow housing gasket. I haven't looked at those yet because I'm lapsed out of. So I found some gasket paper and I made one. Now it's going to do what I want it to. It's got GoPro, it's got 32% battery, right, and it's powering off. I'm going to tell you quickly before it powers off again. I made a gasket. I'll trim it with. You wonder why I need a drink when I'm doing this crap. 32% battery, freezing bloody cold, and it's going to power off again any minute now. So if you get this video, I hate this bloody GoPro. I bloody hate it. It's not.